Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to stop loss on IFX Brokers. Right now we have here the web chart, and if you want to create an order, we click right here on the new order option. Then from here we select the one that we want to use to trade with, and right here we can change the volume. Then right here we have two options, the take profit and stop loss, and we want to change the stop loss. So what we're gonna do is we click on a little bit lower and select this as stop loss. Then right now we can also give this a comment, and we can select here an instant execution or a pending order. Then when we click on pending order, you can also select right here a buy limit or the buy limit at price. But we don't want to do this. We click on instant execution. And then right now it's quite simple because from here we can buy or we can sell. So this is how you can set a stop loss on IFX Brokers. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.